back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Jasenia. Nice to have you. And in this channel, you'll see many recipes, cooking and baking recipes. So there's something for everyone. So glad to have you here. In today's occasion, I'll be showing you how to make a quick tuna salad right at home. This is how I have always made it. But these are the ingredients needed. I'm going to need 3 cans of the chunk light tuna in water. I never get the one in vegetable oil. And then I have 1 bag here of the shredded lettuce, or you can just use like half of a lettuce if you cut that up yourself. And then I'm going to be adding my jalapeno slices, and of course I'll dice those up. And I'll be adding in 1/3 of mayonnaise and salt and pepper. Back here I do have mini Roma tomatoes, equivalent to 3, since they are smaller. See, smaller than an average Roma tomato. And then I have 3 celery sticks and just 1/3 of an onion. So let's begin. I'm going to just start off by cracking open the tuna here. You do want to remove the excess water from the can and drain it. And there's different variations in making these, this tuna salad. I've seen folks add in pasta, just like the elbow pasta to it. I've never eaten it that way. I would probably eat like the chicken salad that way, but I'm not sure that I would try it with the tuna salad. Maybe one day. I've seen folks add in like the mixed veggies with the carrots and the corn, along with the way that I'm making it here. So you definitely make it your own. There we go. Just popping that right in there. Now I cut this in half, but you're more than welcome to just dice it or cut it up along that way. But I just cut it in half and then cut it straight across. And it is optional also to add in cilantro to this. You want to just cut this straight down. And for more delicious recipes, I invite you to check out this growing YouTube channel. There's many different quick and easy meals and ideas. Little empanadas, cake recipes, cookies. So be sure to check that out. Yeah, this is great for a busy night or get together. And it's great to also eat with bread, just sliced bread, or crackers. I actually either eat it in as a sandwich, like a tuna sandwich, or just with the saltine crackers. Salted or unsalted works. And as always, generic brand is fine for any of this, but I always go with what's available if the generic brand is not available at that time. So just go ahead and continue cutting up my tomatoes, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now for my least favorite part here, I'm just moving on and dicing up my onion. Now I don't know about you guys, but this makes my eyes water. What you can do to minimize the eye watering when dicing up onions is set just a cup with plenty of water right in front of you, or work as quickly as possible which I do both. I feel like it helps. I don't know. Could just be me, but, or you can buy it diced. I'm ready to incorporate the rest of my Roma and the onion. I'm just going to give this a good mix, just like this. Now, depending on how spicy you want it, you can't add like a full jalapeno. Into this. All right, I went ahead and mixed in my shredded lettuce along with the rest of the vegetables. So I'm just going to salt it straight across twice, so just a teaspoon is fine. And then go over it with your black pepper. Give it a good mix there, and then I'm going to be adding in a handful of peppers. Like a full size jalapeno is fine. Just going to dice that up really quickly here and then incorporate that in our tuna salad. And then I'll be adding the mayonnaise. And for the final part, I'm just incorporating my 1/3 cup of mayo. And this is just the generic brand. And then you just want to give it a mix. And it should look something like this. Okay guys, so for the best part, I'm just going to go ahead and serve my tuna salad. So if you do try out this recipe, definitely tag me on any of my social media accounts. I'm listed on TikTok under Jasenia V89. And then Facebook, Jesse's Creations. So I'm just going to be pairing mine with some saltine crackers. And there you have it. Quick and easy lunch idea to make right at home or dinner. And I'm sure everyone in the home will enjoy this. And I do thank you so much for watching and for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to our growing family and turn that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.